Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use QuickBooks for an information technology and software business. For an IT-based entrepreneur, the main pain areas are invoice creation, tracking of timesheets for their engineers or employees, project success failure, budget control, statutory compliance in taxes, tracking of their bills, purchases of fixed assets, daily tracking of expenses, and to know the profitability of the business at the end of the day. Even if you are dealing in multi-currency, if you have foreign clients, then you can also track your invoices in multi-currency. So the business entrepreneur ends up with nothing if he is going to record everything at his end. As a saying, master of all trades ends up with nothing. But here is a solution: to use QuickBooks Online accounting software and to resolve all the roadblocks. So I will be giving you an idea how to use QuickBooks and make your business a full success. So first thing will be to create your class tracking and multi-currency on. Go to company settings. Below there, we do have an option of tracking your invoices and expenses according to the class and locations. Just set these two options on and here you go. You are ready to use these options. Save it and done. So now, whenever you will be creating all your invoicing and expense tracking, you can just set up according to the cost center. So how to set up the cost center? Go to All List. Here we do have an option of setting up your cost centers. Click Classes. Click New. Enter your cost center name. So once your cost center is set up, now you can just use them while tracking your invoices and expenses. So all the transactions in QuickBooks are done from this plus button. May it be your invoice, quotation, credit note, sales receipt, which is used for sales in cash. Here we do have an option of creation of bills if it is a credit purchase, expenses if it is a cash expense. Now let me tell you how to customize your invoice. Go to Custom Form Styles. Click Edit. Here you can upload the company logo, choose a template for it, change the appearance, logo placement, font can be changed from here, and you can provide a footer which will be having the information about the company and the bank details. Here you can see the preview of your invoice. Moreover, you can send your invoices directly to the customers, and even you can track that they have opened the invoice at their end or not. So here I would like to add one thing is, even if you are traveling, you can use a mobile app of QuickBooks which you can download from the Play Store and create your hassle-free invoices, quotations and track expenses with the attachments. At the home page you can see all your income, expenses that you do in the course of business. The third most important feature of QuickBooks is connect with the bank account that will be entered by here. Enter your bank name, select the bank, provide the customer ID and the IPIN which you use for net banking. Once you provide it, click Login and you will be connected with your bank account, and last 90 days transactions will appear here like this. So moreover, you can create rules to it so you don't have to pass the transactions again and again, and QuickBooks will do it for you. Here we do have option for employees where you can track all your time tracking sheets for your employees according to the hours, and you can even give login to your employees who can just track the activity sheet for which customer they are working, and you can create an invoice for the same. Here the employee will select the name, his name, for which business he is working, and for which project he is working. He will select the customer name and the service that he is providing. Let's say it's a consulting services. We will make it billable at what rate the engineer is charging the customer and will provide the time to it. Here he can add notes to the same and save it. So, whenever we generate an invoice for the customer AAA, the timesheet will come automatically. So here it is. And you can even add a markup to it, and that will not be shown to the customer. So here will be the print preview of the invoice that we are recording. Here we have to select the taxes, which can be selected from here. Here we can select what rate will be there. And once you select the taxes, there would be the print. This customer invoice can be sent directly from here to the customer. So here you go, your invoice is ready. QuickBooks comes with tax capability as well. You can set up your taxes from here. Service tax, VAT and CST are the predefined taxes, and whatever changes and automation come in the taxes are updated in QuickBooks. So here you can see your liabilities, you can run the report, and you can see the reports and take the decision. Now let's come to the report section. So we do have many reports for the IT business. Information technology is a service-based industry, and all the tax, service tax report, tax computation reports will be generated here. So output tax, input credit. So these are the few tax reports which will be generated automatically once you pass the entries. And moreover, you can just run the report for a particular period as well. Now you can add 7 users to QuickBooks, which can access it from anywhere, anytime. And it makes your work more easier and empowers your decision making. So even if you are traveling, you can just see what person has done, what transactions have been passed, and you can take the decisions. The reporting is according to the cost centers. We can run profit and loss balance sheet according to the classes which are there. Click on profit and loss by class, and here we will be having all the classes wise profit and loss report. Moreover, all the reports can be customized according to the cost centers or the location. Now, we do have an apps part where the developer can visit www.developer.intuit.com, where open APIs are available for the developers, and they can develop open APIs. So we do have few connections with the apps where you can just explore them and create a connectivity. Now let's just sum up with it. So here, so the benefits to the IT business is multi-currency invoicing, online banking, you can email the invoices for efficiency of receipt management, time tracking, as I have already discussed, managing the tedious payable reports, customizing reports, mobile apps, and of course it's the mobile access utility for Android iPhone users and the unlimited support. Data security, if I talk about, we do offer 128-bit encryption technology to secure your data at our servers, and you can view the link by clicking at HTTPS protocol, that this is the encryption. Here you can get all answers to your queries at this link, and if you require any training and implementation assistance, call us at this number, and myself Jayashree. You can just revert to the email if you require any personal assistance. Thank you.